All right, so if you've never had or even heard of a crepe, I think it is, just imagine a very, very thin pancake. But the thing is, if it's so thin, how can it be filling? Well, that's just it. It has to have a filling in order to be a crepe. Is crepe?
Crepe.
Crepe, yeah. So today, Leanne Chen is prepping a savory crepe for us. Morning.
Morning.
Voila.
Voila.
What is voila?
Voila is a restaurant named after my obsession over French cuisine. Voila means here it is or there it is, because I'm always trying to shock people, surprise them with something new. We're located in Mandeville, Manchester. We're at the same complex as Knutsford Express called Pear Tree Village.
Yeah.
We serve French, Euro-American cuisine, and sometimes we infuse Jamaican in there.
Yeah.
Right, we do breakfast, lunch, dinner, but we also specialize in cakes and pastry, which is where I actually started out.
Okay. Having said that, voila. What have you brought this morning? What's this fella right
All right,
here?
well, these are brownies. This is actually what gave me my name. I used to sell brownies at Bishop Gibson.
Okay.
Right, and then these are cheesecake cupcakes. It's one of my best sellers. Actually, cheesecake on a whole is my best seller, so I brought them here for you guys to sample.
Okay.
And then this is a Dulce de Leche cake.
I didn't know that. Dulce de
De
leche,
leche,
which
right.
is something milk.
Right.
I know these things.
Yeah, okay.
This fella.
And this is something new that I tried. It's a macadamia cookie with white chocolate chips. This is one of my best sellers on the lunch menu. It's a Chef Lily's signature burger. It has it has a sunny side up egg. To me, if you don't have it sunny side up, then you're just not doing it right. But not many people like raw eggs.
And this is what?
These are Cajun wedges.
Cajun
Wedges.
That is not potato. What are Cajun wedge?
Cajun is a mixture of spices and seasonings.
Tastes
It's
good?
a dried herb. Yes.
You sure?
Yes. Of course.
And you are going to make what this morning?
I'm going to make a savory breakfast crepe. It's
What is in it?
well, first you have the batter, and then you have your egg, your mushroom, your cheese, tomatoes. You can put anything you want in there, anything you favor in particular. But I'm going to put what I favor.
And what's your favor?
I favor mushrooms, Canadian bacon bits, cherry tomatoes, pepper jack cheese, and a little bit of butter.
You think you're hot, no?
I know.
What is that you're making over there?
All right, so we haven't introduced these to the menu yet, but I'd like to start very soon, in a few weeks. We're going to be doing a morning smoothie.
Okay.
So in here we have spinach, banana, mango, peaches, strawberries, pineapples.
I like it already. You plan to start?
Yes.
Yeah, well,
Yes.
let's go. This more on taste that, I'm afraid.
So you want to grease your pan first.
Yes, sir. And then what?
And then...
And then you throw it on top of that, then I'll roll off.
No.
She thinks she's wicked. So she going all the way? Like she wicked?
All right, so you put it in the very middle.
So it don't roll
And
off.
you have to move quick. This is your crepe spreader or rosette.
Your crepe spreader.
Right.
So you use the crepe spreader to spread.
Right. Sometimes if you don't get enough, you can always just
So
make it up.
It kind of set quick though.
Yeah, it says really quick, so you have to move very, very, very quickly.
Yeah. So what is that now? What is in this now?
Well, in this is just flour, milk, butter. In this is just flour, milk, butter, parsley, black pepper, salt. Normally you make galettes with buckwheat flour, but I really don't like buckwheat flour, and I find Jamaicans don't mind it this way either.
Oh,
You want to flip it?
I love that. That's wicked.
All right, so like I said, I like my eggs sunny side up.
As you said, if you don't do it that way, you're not doing it at all.
No, you know.
Bullshit.
You can always scramble it, you beat it up and you spread it around. So you do is you can hold the yolk just to keep it from moving around, or just to avoid breaking it.
That's skillful. I like it.
And the key is to get it to the edges, because you want a complete circle.
So who taught you to do all of this now? You teach yourself?
Yeah, basically. I mean, I've worked in several restaurants. I actually learned this particular one in a Paris creperie restaurant in Niagara. That's where I studied in Canada.
Yeah. Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls.
Well, I
right.
see a picture the other day, the falls freeze up. It is that cold, believe it or not.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So now you want to put your cheese. Like I said, this is pepper jack cheese.
Yeah.
You want to spread it.
Right.
This is it's an open face crepe. A lot of people know crepes to be closed, so I prefer this open face. It was originated in Brittany in France because, well, you want to see what is in it, right? The beauty of this crepe is that you actually see what's in there,
Yeah.
right?
Well, you done me with the pork and the mushroom. But it look
You
good.
don't eat pork?
Me? No.
You don't eat mushroom?
No. I'm afraid I.
Afraid that way.
Somebody told me one time, say it did poisonous, and from then I'm afraid I. So. But Jody think me is, sure, can't take Jody sometime. I tell you the honest truth, sometimes I can't deal with that.
Alright, so basically I'm just putting all of my...
So when you say it open, you just going to leave it like that and make...
No, I'm going to fold the edges and it's going to be like a square.
Oh.
Right. So just let it go on. Some
Okay,
people
hold
like it, 30 seconds. Alright, I like my edges crispy, so that's about good.
Yeah, that's very good. I like it.
You like it? You go try it?
No, I like it.
Then how you know if you like it if you not try it?
It look nice. It look like me should have tried, but
So you're gonna try it?
no, I'm not try it. But it look nice. And that's it?
No. Then you finish it off with some Kerrygold herb butter. I'm sure you know Kerrygold.
No, I love the herb part.
Just brush the edges. You don't want to do it any more than that because you don't want it to be
Why?
greasy.
So what it do? It give it flavor? What it
Yeah.
do?
It just gives it an edge.
You know, she talk to me like my Dulce.
Okay, so
That's it?
that's almost it. You want to free it up, make sure it's not sticking. Hold it at the edge, slide it over.
No, sir, I love that. No, sir. And then you just say, voila.
No, not voila yet.
Oh,
hold
not
on.
voila yet.
And then you end it with a little bit of mixed lettuce and some homemade green onion aioli.
Onion what?
Green onion, scallion.
Oh. So you can't say voila yet?
Now you say voila.
Wait, no. Voila.
Voila.
I like it. And that's it?
That's it
So,
for that.
I have a question. Now. So how you eat that? You cut it up with something or because
With your
it,
knife and your fork.
That's
and you
it?
eat Yeah.
I don't like when people
Don't
talk
forget
to
to
me
have
like
a smoothie
Dulce.
over here.
Oh, Leon, you talk to me like me Dulce.
No, no, no.
What
no.
is in there again now?
All right, so you have pineapples.
Wait, no, man, I want to put on that
mangoes.
somewhere nice so it look pretty. And everybody me can put it. Move this here. Everard. And then,
Mind you burn yourself.
mind you burn me. Then I put it there. Hold on. Huh? Aye, I know this thing. Where's the food, Joe? And then now, I say, voila. Aye,
Exactly.
you feel me a co-owner.
It's just a type of nut.
I love it. All right, so tell me where Voila is again, what time you open and
It's at 52 Caledonia Road, Mandeville.
Mandeville, yeah.
It's in the same